Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of connection, a feeling that you're part of something vast, ancient, and maybe alive? It's crossed the minds of poets, philosophers, scientists. But what if it's more than a feeling? What if the universe has a structure like the human brain, not science fiction, suggested by cosmological simulations and neuroscientific studies, not just rocks and gas, maybe a thinking, processing cosmic entity? Imagine zooming out from Earth, past our solar system, beyond the Milky Way. Let's dive into the cosmic web. So, what exactly is this cosmic web? To understand it, we have to go back to the beginning, the Big Bang. About 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began in an incredibly hot, dense state. It was almost perfectly uniform, but not quite. Tiny quantum fluctuations, minuscule density variations. As the universe expanded and cooled, gravity got to work. The master sculptor of the cosmos. Slightly denser regions pulled in more matter, getting denser still. The matter isn't just what we can see, most of it is invisible. We call it dark matter. Dark matter forms the underlying scaffold of the cosmic web, creating vast, invisible filaments stretching across space, like threads in a spider's web. Ordinary matter is drawn into these filaments, lighting them up, stars, galaxies. Where filaments intersect, massive clusters of galaxies, the great cities of the cosmos. The connecting threads are cosmic highways, galaxies stream toward clusters. Between these structures, cosmic voids, vast, near-empty regions, hundreds of millions of light-years across. This cosmic web is the largest known structure in the universe, the grand tapestry upon which cosmic history is written. It has been slowly self-assembling over the universe's age, shaped by physics. Mapping millions of galaxies uncovers the universe's skeleton, and this vast, interconnected network has led scientists to astonishing comparisons. Now let's bring our focus back down to Earth, and inside our own heads. The human brain is, without a doubt, the most complex object we know of, a 3-pound universe of its own. The fundamental unit is the neuron, designed to transmit information, a cell body, dendrites that receive, an axon that sends. Neurons don't work in isolation, they connect, forming an intricate network that processes information with incredible speed. When you look at a neural network, you see a structure that looks remarkably similar to the cosmic web. Neurons act like nodes, axons and dendrites as filaments, the empty spaces analogous to cosmic voids. In both systems, the network is the key. Structure enables function, flow of matter and energy, flow of information. This isn't just like seeing a face in the clouds. The similarities run deeper. Both are self-organizing systems. They weren't designed, they emerged from simple rules and local interactions. In the universe, gravity pulls matter together. In the brain, chemical signals guide connections. In both cases, a complex hierarchical structure arises from a simpler initial state. Self-organization creates everything from a snowflake to a spiral galaxy, and perhaps, a thinking cosmos. Let's talk about scale. The human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons. Each can form thousands of connections, resulting in about 100 trillion synapses, more than stars in the Milky Way. Our best estimate for galaxies in the observable universe is around 200 billion. Some estimates go as high as 2 trillion. So we have roughly 86 billion neurons and about 200 billion galaxies. The numbers are in the same ballpark. Most nodes have few connections, but a few hubs have many. These hubs are critical, in brains for integration, in the universe at cluster intersections, separated by an unimaginable gulf in scale yet organized with similar mathematics. Is this a universal blueprint for complex systems, or a fluke? The comparison between the brain and the universe moved from philosophical musing to quantitative science, thanks to astrophysicist Franco Vazza and neuroscientist Alberto Folletti. In 2020 they published a remarkable study. They compared the structure of the cosmic web with the human cerebellum using advanced mathematical tools. They analyzed how matter, or neurons, was distributed, then calculated the spectral density across scales. The distribution of matter in the web showed a similar pattern of complexity to the neurons in the cerebellum. They also built network graphs, nodes as galaxy clusters or neurons, with filaments connecting them. Measuring properties like average connections per node and information flow, the results were strikingly similar. On scales of millions of light-years and micrometers, they appeared to share design principles. Now, this research doesn't claim that the universe is a brain. The physical processes are different. The brain uses electrical signals, the universe uses gravity. But two different processes can yield similar network structures. There may be universal laws of network dynamics. The universe and the brain might be two different answers to the same question: what is the most efficient way to build a massive, interconnected network? The uncanny resemblance leads to an ancient idea: panpsychism. Consciousness as a fundamental, ubiquitous feature of the world. It proposes that every bit of matter, from an electron to a star to a galaxy, has some rudimentary form of experience. If so, the cosmic web is not just dead matter, but a network of proto-conscious entities, interconnected by gravity. Could this vast, self-organizing network combine countless tiny sparks into a cosmic mind? What would it even mean for the universe to be conscious? What does a universe think about? A single thought might be a gravitational wave lasting millions of years. Two galaxies merging like neurons forming a connection. Its consciousness could be the experience of physical laws unfolding, forming structure, forging elements, expanding and cooling. Memory's not in synapses but in the distribution of galaxies across billions of light years. We find ourselves at a crossroads. Is the similarity mere coincidence or a clue to deeper reality? Nature is full of patterns. Self-organization can yield similar networks governed by familiar physical laws. On the other hand, perhaps consciousness is fundamental, and we are part of a living, maybe even thinking whole. Ultimately, we don't have the answer. The science is new, the implications are staggering. Whether it's a grand coincidence or a hint of a cosmic mind, the very act of asking reveals our own consciousness. We are the part of the universe that looks back and wonders,